everybody and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 6th standard unit 7 Neerja Bhanot's comprehension and vocabulary. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And like and share our videos. First heading, discuss the following questions in small groups and answer them in a sentence each. First one, where did Neerja study? The answer is, she studied at Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh, Bombay Scottish School and St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. Second one, why was the flight described as ill-fated? The answer is, the flight was fated because it was hijacked. Third one, name the highest civilian award for bravery given by the Indian government. The answer is, Ashoka Chakra, the highest civilian award for bravery given by the Indian government. Fourth one, name the flight that was hijacked. When and where did this happen? The answer is, Pan AM Flight 73 PA 73 was a flight that was hijacked. It happened at 5 am in Karachi. Fifth one, who did the terrorists shoot first? The terrorist first shot at the passengers who identified himself to the terrorist being an American. Sixth one, what did the pilot, co-pilot and the flight engineer do when they heard about the hijack? Do you think they were right in doing so? The answer is, when they heard about the hijack, the pilot, co-pilot and the flight engineer ran away from the aircraft when the plane was on the runway. Yes, they were right in doing so. Otherwise, the terrorists could have claimed a huge ransom or killed all the passengers. Seventh one, did Neerja hide the passports of the Americans? Why? Why not? Yes, she hid the passport of Americans because the terrorists wanted to identify the Americans and kill them. Eighth one, why is Neerja called the heroine of the hijack? The answer is, Neerja, being the most senior cabin crew member on the board, took charge of the flight when the other three members left the aircraft. Neerja opened the aircraft, the emergency door and helped a number of passengers escape. So she can well be called as the heroine of the hijack. Ninth one, what is your ambition in your life? Do you want to become an air hostess or a pilot or a flight engineer? The answer is, I want to become an air hostess. What do you want to become? You have to tell that, okay? Next heading, C2. Arrange the following sentences in an order to make a meaningful paragraph. First one, Neerja was the senior flight purser on the Pan AM flight which was hijacked at Karachi airport. Second one, she the passports of Americans as the hijackers wanted to execute Americans. Third one, Neerja comforted the passengers, especially the elderly and small children. Fourth one, after 17 hours, the hijackers opened the fire and set off explosives. Fifth one, acting quickly, Neerja opened the emergency door and helped a number of passengers escape. C3. Which of the following statements are true about Neerja? Tick them. First one. Neerja was the senior most cabin crew on the aircraft. Right. Second one, Neerja escaped from the flight when the terrorists opened fire. Wrong. Third one, she showed the passports of all the passengers to the hijackers. Wrong. Fourth one, she received the Ashoka Chakra award for her act of bravery from the Civil Aviation Minister. Right. C4. Write a short paragraph in your own words about Neerja. The answer is, women are equal to men. This is proved by Neerja. She was not only brave but also had a very good presence of mind. Future India needs to women like Neerja. C5. Which of the following words are related to airport or flight? Circle them. The answer is first one, crew, runway, check-in, pilot, air hostess, cabin, cockpit, hijack, emergency door. Let's practice language. G1. Find the other forms of the following words from the lesson and write them in the box. Present, past. Die, died, dead. Hijack, hijacked. Join, joined. Land, landed. Present, past. Go, gone. Take, took. Shoot, shot. Is, was. G2. Think of a few more words as above and write their past tense forms. You can refer a dictionary. We have to write the past tense forms of these words given below. First one, arise, arose. Beat, bent. Catch, caught. Escape, escaped. Draw, drove. Get, got. G3. Some words are missing in the following sentences. Add those words and complete the sentences. One word is missing in each sentence. Example is given here. Neerja Bhanot a brave woman. Neerja Bhanot was a brave woman. Next one. First one. We gave only the missing word here. You have to complete the sentence. First one, Neerja Bhanot born in Chandigarh. The answer is Neerja Bhanot was born in Chandigarh. Second one, Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot, her parents. Second one, Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot were, you have to write here, were her parents. Third one, she the senior most cabin crew member was, you have to write was. She was the senior most cabin crew member. Fourth one, Neerja the passports of the American passengers. What she do? She hid. Neerja hid the passports of the American passengers. Fifth one, she not escape. You have to write did. She did not escape. Sixth one, she was youngest recipient of the Ashoka Chakra. The word is missing here. She was the youngest recipient of the Ashoka Chakra. Extended activity. Make sentences using the words from the box. An example has been given. Some words are given in this oval shaped circle. Oval shaped what? Some words are given here. You have to use these words and make the sentences. Example, I have visited Hyderabad. I don't have bicycle. I like Hyderabad. She doesn't cook. You make lots of sentences by using these words. Okay? You have to make your own some sentences. Okay? Thus the comprehension is completed, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.